Okay, so now when a teacher logs in, as you would be, you logged in, you're landing on your dashboard. Now you look at your timeline, you'll notice that in the next 30 days you have to, on the due date of when they need to be graded, is you have 2 documents that have been submitted. Notice the red indicates 1. If you have more than 1 student, it'll indicate, and they've submitted it, you'll have all of this listed here. You can review what this was by clicking on the title. You'll see that there's been 2 participants, 1 submitted, 1 needs graded, it's due by this date, and so on. So you can view all the submissions, or you can, so we'll click on that to show you what that looks like. You can see here that Randy Tess Foster has not submitted his grade yet. Julie Foster has submitted her grade so far, and you can go through and grade it at this point in time. This is the file name that was submitted. So let's just grade Julie's document now. We'll click on grade, and you'll see this grading page open, and it's creating a PDF. So it takes the PDF that's uploaded. What it does is it converts it to this editor file here, so you can see the document listed here. Over here you can see the rubric, and you can see change user, user 102. Here's Julie's name, so you know who you're doing. So this is the cool thing about doing it this way. So we'll scroll down. You can read the entire document. You can see what's going on. Let's say you are going to put an X, that's not correct type of thing. You can choose whatever stamp you want. Let's just say, okay, smile. They got the title in there, so you can say smiley face. Or let's say they didn't put the information on there. You can click not a smiley face. Or you can click X. Nope, that's wrong. Nope, that's wrong. And, just however many times you want to do it. If you wanted to, let's say, highlight something, you can highlight here. You can change the color of the highlight right here. So you can do whatever you want. And you can scroll down, get this information. You can go from page 1 to page 2. You can look at this information. You can click and drag with your hand, move it around. You can write comments, and you can color the boxes if you want. And so there's a comment there. You can draw a squiggly line. This is not right. You can put a regular line. No, this is where I meant, and so on and so forth. So you have all these options. So as you're editing and you're going through this will be saved when you click save. But you pop out the rubric here once you're ready to actually grade it. And you can see here's the criteria, and then here's the grades. So we're going to go across here, defining the topic. Yeah, that was good. So just click in that box. Student efficiently determines the appropriate sources of information. Click on that box. Let's say they didn't evaluate anything, so they got a 0 there. We'll go here, here, and then here. And now that's done. So then we'll click here, we'll pop it back in. And when you click save, the grades to the changes to the grades and feedback were saved. Click OK. And now you can scroll down here and see right away what the student got. The student got a 61.11 on this document based on the way you graded it. And you just step back out of that. You just click on go to test course or anything up here, and that'll take you back out. You can click on grades now, and when you click on grades, we've graded 1 document, and so Julie's document here, grab the scroll bar, you can scroll over and find book review on title, and so she got a 61.1. These here, this is something that I was experimenting with, and I'm deleting those, so it does affect the total of what the grade looks like, but you'll get the idea. Okay, so I'm going to come back up here, and you can also look at a single view or a user report. And let me just show you that real quick. So you can look at the grades for a particular item, or you can look at a grades for the particular student. You just want to see that, so we'll choose Julie. When we click on that, it gives us everything that she has done. Here's her essay paper, hasn't been graded yet. Here's her book review. She got a D-, and this is the grade that she got. Notice over the course total, she's running at 63.73. That's all it is. That's how simple this grading system is. It just works really, really well. So let's go back and we'll get the other essay paper. We'll click here. You can actually click from the grade book and go right to the essay paper and you can grade it. We'll click here to grade. It looks very similar to the same page we looked at before. Now it is, of course, the same PDF that I uploaded, but that's okay. You can change the user from Julie to Randy and immediately see no grade, no attempt, not graded. So he's not even submitted yet. So we'll go back, we'll get Julie's test or her essay paper. We can do whatever we want here. Mark it up any way we want. But let's just go ahead and grade it. Now this is a smaller rubric scale, so it fits within the window. So we'll give 10 points for title, name, and date. We'll give 3 points for she went over by 100 words more, and the thesis was stated, so we'll give her that. We'll click Save Changes. Click OK. 76.67 as the grade. So that's basically 23 points divided by 30 points works out to 76.67. And when we step out of that, we can go to the grade book if we want. We'll go to it's already in user report at this time. Go to Julie's user report for her grades. And now we see that the essay paper 76.67. Unfortunately, these numbers are a little bit off because of the deleted items that I put out there. But you can see the grades as they're calculated in the final grade so far that she's working off of. Of course, she hasn't taken any tests. You probably have more quizzes to take. She hasn't done any minute words, and so all of those affect the grades as well.